Okay, we have a new feature on our Fire Stick. What's new on Fire TV? It's called Auto Offload. The Auto Offload feature is used to optimize device storage comes to Fire TV. Here's how it works. If your device is low on storage, Auto Offload will partially remove some apps that haven't been used on the device in the last 60 days without deleting your login credentials. When you want to use an offloaded app later, the app will be reinstalled for you along with restoring your login credentials for that app, just like it was never removed. This setting is automatically enabled, which means you don't have to do anything to disable it. Just go to Settings, My Fire TV, About Storage, Auto Offload, and then you can toggle between on and off. What does this mean in layman terms? It will help to optimize your Fire TV so it can run more efficiently.